All right. Hi, my name is Arbor, and I'm the founder of a crowd learning platform called In Your Class. I'm an immigrant from Albania. The solution is SAS Enterprise. I go to Stanford and I play volleyball. So that's all four of you. My story starts 4 years ago when I was a student at the City College of New York. I had a huge problem with the software our school was using. It was very old and boring, and it didn't make me want to go there for learning. So one night in the library, I had Facebook open and I had Blackboard, the school software. And the aha moment right there was to create something as addictive as Facebook, but for schoolwork. Something that would make me want to learn. Last October, we got $200K in seed funding from the City University of New York, their first investment ever in 167 years. Since then, we've added 10 schools that are paying for In Your Class, 170K in revenue, 34,000 students. We built this patent called a method for managing an academic institution using a network. Stanford wants to buy the patent, and so does the City University, but we got these really expensive lawyers who told us not to do that. So now we're receiving $7 million over 18 months. I think I got everything.
Can you clarify on some of those numbers at the end? You're seeking
7 million over 18 months.
7 million over 18 months.
Yes, to cover development, sales, and an executive team. On the development side, well, we have a product that's ready to be sold now. In 12 months, we'll have the enterprise version, the IP, ready, and also a direct-to-consumer version that competes with the Coursera's and direct-to-learners.
It's a fairly big rate considering your current revenue right now. And 170K, is it a cumulative revenue you have over the inception to present?
No, it's since we got the funding. So since we got the funding, we had one school, and then we've added 9 more schools with 170K more in less than 12 months.
Okay, that's good revenue.
Thanks.
What is your customer acquisition cost, and how hard is to integrate the product?
The integration process is pretty simple, and what we go after is the community feel of schools. So we are literally replacing their static home pages with engagement platforms where they can. So, for example, Stanford is using our platform for orientation. So they do their orientation on our In Your Class. The acquisition cost, we directly go after students first. So we scrape the schedule of classes, and then we market to students to say there's a place for you online to go to your classes. And then we go to the school and tell them, hey, your students are here, you should pay for this now. That's literally my sales pitch.
What are your sales cycles like?
3 to 6 months, it's education, which is why we're kind of going after the direct-to-consumer as well, creating a platform where teachers can sell their own classes as well.
So who pays for this? Is this the professor that's teaching the class, or is this the student?
No, the campus, the institution pays for it.
But then
So
you're still starting with the student, and then you're going to the campus and saying, hey, you've got to use my platform because you've got so many students. But the school would still try it on a per course basis to start with.
it's not per course, it's per campus, and we charge $20,000.
So $20,000. There's not a whole lot of. Is this an grad school kind of thing, or is this for K-12?
And higher education.
Higher education. So there's not a whole lot of them around, right? So if you got
There's 4,000 in the US.
So 4,000 times 20,000. That's $80 million market if you get every
Right,
one of them.
but then the enterprise version we're going to sell for 250K. And
Okay, so what can you describe the differences there, 20K versus 250K?
the 250K, so think of it as, what can we do with your big data? With the enterprise, we partner with the ERP of the school, usually a PeopleSoft system, and we take all their data and build apps on top of it for analytics of students. We build a space for third-party apps that schools need to use, and give them the engagement platform to do so. That's my time. Thank you.